Habai kren bagi nong patai kubor Presiden ke BJP Meghalaya unit uba Ernest Mauri. Ulong Bah Hek ni kendiat sengi ke Seng kan saai ke jing betha ya uba AL Hek baon omla ban let ciklat patai kubor ban kren ne ban kento pyrshah ya ke Seng. Uba Ernest Mauri ulong ba uba AL Hek kumu menteri sarkar ude ban kren tang sepang ka tenat ke bau khmi bar ki kampen roy ke banuan ra leng ba ka tenat ne na ke benta ke jela. Kad bai ki kam ke bede ke Seng ke de ke Seng hi ke ban chim ke rai. Uba Ernest Mauri ulong ba ka Seng kadang ap ya ka jing betha jokinong yalam ki ba klie na Delhi la andan kam man ai ka show cause notice ne am pyrshah ya uba AL Hek. Ha ka bay day bat ka jingkran uba AL Hek ba ka don ka jing tmu ban weng no Presiden ka BJP Meghalaya uba menta na kaliang uba Ernest Mauri ulong bau bet ya kinong yalam ki ba klie jong ka Seng ban shim ka rai la andang beteng ban chakri kumu Presiden ka BJP. Ulong bakat ba kinong ilam kiba hakli na Delhi kimpat penmenai katarik ban penlong election banjit yau national president kumta on patla ban penlong ya ki election hakjela. Uba Ernest Mauri ulakan taj ban kubur bakladon kejing yapat hapok keseng BJP. Pada ulong ba baru kira ni kejing angnut ba an omla ban khang ya kata.
My term is already over, and in the month of January, 13 January 2023 this year, we have the Central Executive Committee, National Executive Committee held in Delhi, where the Honorable Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has announced for extension the term of the National President GP Nadaji till 24 June 2024, mean after the election. Unless the centre announced the election of the national president, we cannot hold election. So I think he's very wrong in that statement. And I think you all remember Bah Hek has been the president of the party in the year 2003 till 2006. 3 years gap. So it's not 2 years. I want to correct that. There is no big division in a party. Everybody, they have their own inspiration, so we cannot stop that. You see, we cannot stop that. And from the party, I think within the few days, they will keep the direction. You cannot go to the press openly against the party. Being a minister, he has to talk about his own department, what development he will bring for the state or his department. For the party will take decision.
Kaseng BJP kalapan pau bagam kwa ban kren ban pentreka meka roster system na rugisnem ki bamanshwa ni nang ni shakman. Nrekan update ke ga baga sarkar jela kan che mekarai hakabedai bat katarik ot kerteng ne ka cut off date. Bat hakajing pentreka meka roster system jang reservation policy. Unong aiktian ke BJP uba Himalaya Muktan Sangpliang ulapan kan mau bagayeng syari kelaong bagani kedika kam kabadai ke polisi kababha ban ak yang dorbar tauan bagi borsen syar ke sarkar badadian bekelasyem ke nongrim kan salong ke baplilat kinong songšnong basakta bagin bojing keli halur ke jing terekam kat kumki kendon kaan. Uba Himalaya Muktan Sangpliang ulay yang scam baga BJP kamdan banong halur ke jing dawa ban bisyar temai ke state reservation policy. Baru ulong bakim kuat ban keta ekakam ke bayadai bat ke polisi. Hendaki kuat ban keren tang halor ke hukum ke yang syari bayadai bat ke roster system.
That the recent High Court order dated 3rd April 2023 relating to Granite Sangma and versus the government. There the Honorable High Court had given a ruling saying that this whole policy and the whole system, rather the roster system, should have a cut-off date. Now that the High Court has left it to the government or to the legislature. Now we would like to leave it at that point because the other details would be discussing at the all-party meet. So we also endorsed the High Court order for the cut-off date. We are not saying prospectively nor retrospectively. We are not saying that. We would like the government to take a call on the cut-off date. If not the government, it should be the legislature.
Ka Seng BJP kala pensyai ba Syamladan Satya ki MLA ka TMC ki belawan ya keren ban penpau ke jengkwa jugi ban penia no bat ka Seng BJP. Uba Ernest Mauri ulong ba ka Seng kamdan jengtip Satya lo ka senjam bala syem de uba Bah Hek u MLA ka BJP dapat thorum kra. Ubalong ru menteri sarkar ban ya keren bat kinong yalam ka TMC bagian wania no bat ka BJP. Ulong ba kem padio kubor ye hadu mental la ki MLA ke TMC kan wania no ba ke BJP nregila shi tangge jengekren uba Bah Hek hakilat patai kubor. Uba Ernest Mauri ulong ba ke BJP kalong ke bakloi ban priang ye ki bawan penia ba ke BJP tang ba kinong yalam ke jela ki dei pat ban pentep syakinong yalam ka Seng ki badan Delhi.